Hi, I am Kacper, an engineer at MTS Technik, and in this video I'd like to present the Coilover suspension kit for 7th generation Toyota Celica. Both front and rear axle kits are equipped with threaded shock absorbers finished in gold zinc plating, featuring hexacoil adjustment nut. The hexacoil, thanks to the use of a clamping screw, allows for easy adjustment of your suspension height. Both front and rear springs are made by a German company Eibach and are ERS-type springs with linear characteristics. The internal diameter of 60 mm allows for easy replacement with strings of different stiffness. This kit also includes helper springs, which provide preload for the main springs. Also, you will find black anodized aluminum spring caps, dedicated bump stops, and on the front axle, dust covers. Alongside the kit in the package, you will also find adjustment wrench, MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation, such as installation manual. Thanks for watching.